So Facebook keeps removing your comments or even removed it at least once for absolutely no reason. So what are the reasons and how you can fix this Facebook removing your comments and how you can smoothly keep commenting on Facebook? Now let me clarify some things. Let me tell you that you think that this is your thought that you did not violate any Facebook policy. But in reality, you may have done something that you don't know. For example, no one is sitting at the back of Facebook manually reviewing your comments. It is actually AI implemented in Facebook's system which reviews your comments, and if it thinks that this comment is not good, it simply removes it from the view. Now the examples include you used some kind of words like kill, die, crazy, ugly, follow me, add me, DM me, or something like that. All of these words are simply not good in the eye of Facebook AI. For example, you wrote a comment like you killed it. Now this is actually an appreciation for us humans, but you still used the word killed, which goes against Facebook community guidelines. Instead, you can write you nailed it or something like that. Another example is you wrote are you crazy, and instead you can write are you wild or something like this. So these were some examples, but these kind of words get your comments removed from Facebook system, and this may be the main reason. But if this is not the reason and you did not use any kind of offensive words, then the second thing is you keep repeating some kind of words. For example, you wrote great in one comment and you wrote great in the other comment and in the next one too. So when you keep repeating the same words again and again, this gets your comments removed and blocked. Another reason may be you are posting frequently or too fast. For example, you commented on one post and within a minute you commented on the other post and in the other and in the other and so on. May also send a signal to Facebook that a bot is commenting from your side and your comments get removed. So for fixing this thing, you need to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes for posting a next comment. But if this is also not the case, then you need to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to the search bar and search here Facebook and hit the search button. And when Facebook app appears up, you have to tap on it and tap on this update button for updating your Facebook application. Your outdated Facebook application may be another reason that its AI has been using the old libraries and it is getting even the fine words offensive and it's removing your comments. So updating Facebook may also help. And even after updating, if you are still not able to get this thing sorted out, you can use Facebook on desktop or PC, because the PC or desktop version uses weaker filters and you can comment smoothly from your PC or desktop on Facebook. And just stay away from Facebook from 24 to 48 hours from this account. Meanwhile, you can use another account on Facebook for enjoying Facebook experience and commenting on the posts. And after 48 hours when you'll come back, this issue will be resolved and you'll be able to comment smoothly with all the guidelines that I just provided. Thank you so much.